What's up, guys? Yeah, let's get into this. So I've gone away for a bit. I made a loss on a few trades here. I made a loss on a few trades. I made a loss on GBP ORD, GBP JPY. The thing is, I was in the green for GBP JPY, but it started going back inside the trend line. So it turned from a small win into a big loss. GBP USD, I cut my losses really quickly. I didn't like the way it was moving. It was printing very small candles. I didn't like that. GBP ORD, cut my losses there as well. Anyway, let's go back to the drawing board. Let's just go back to the charts and see if there's anything I can get into. Okay, GBP USD. You can see that it's trying to touch that bit again. It's already over it, that's the thing. And it kind of broke out. But something's telling me it may be trying to do this. Something's telling me it's trying to do that. Just something. Could be trying to touch this. Okay, it's gone down there. It's a possibility. And now it's over that resist. Was it? Is it that resist? It's broken past that resistance, the bullish engulfing. So maybe trying to retest. So I think it all depends on what it does back here again. If it bounces off here, then I would most likely buy 100%. I'll most likely buy. Yeah, there's not much analysis I can say on that. Yeah, I would most likely buy if it was to bounce off this. GBP JPY, let's go back to the drawing board, see what happened. So it bounced off that trend line. It bounced off this resistance point, came back down onto that trend line. It's bounced off it. So look, now it's printing a bullish engulfing. It's refused to break past that point. So broke past it once. Maybe it's trying to break out. Things I don't want to buy in there because it's not enough confirmation. First of all, the moving averages are telling me that it's a sell. Yes, the candlestick is telling me it's a buy, but you have two opposing confluences. Right. So I'd say I'd wait for this one, see what it does. It might materialize in the Asian session, who knows. So I'll be waiting for that. GBP ORD, let's see what happened. GBP ORD. So the chart pattern tells us it's a bearish sign, so obviously we should be looking for a sell, right? So boom, came back, retested. Now it's kind of retesting that line. I don't know why did I draw this? Maybe I don't know. I don't know. Why did I draw that? Why did I draw this? I have no idea why I drew it. Why did I draw it? So it broke past, bearish sign, came back up, went down again, came back up. Let me take these off, they're confusing me. It's very hard to tell what movement it's making. Yeah, I don't want to predict too much with the Australian dollar and British pound. It's very hard to tell. Forex news. Okay. CHF is the, if I'm not wrong, is it? It's the Swiss franc, okay. Swiss franc. I wonder if they have any like news that's like that comes by the hour, if that makes sense. Forex news, obviously. Okay. Yeah, I'm not gonna even attempt to touch GBP or just yet. Just yet. There's nothing there for me to believe, you know. I felt like the move has been the move's already happened. It broke past the major thing, right? Anyway, let's go back to GBP, USD, and GBP AUD. So what's going on here? Oh, look, it's broken past that resistance. It's gone back to the resistance. Sorry, broken past this support. So we're gonna see what happens. GBP, JPY. It's touching. I'm only gonna buy GBP, JPY if I see it, you know, going up, you know. So what I might do, I'll place a buy. On that. So I'll use MetaTrader 4 to my advantage. GBP, JPY trade. Lot size maybe 0.05. Buy limit price is 156.049. Yeah, I can't. I can't place the trade. It won't let me. It's weird. Yeah, I can't place the trade, which is weird. Don't know what's going on. So ideally what I'd want to do, I'd want to place the trade. I would want to place the trade here. So if it touches here and breaks out, then I'll hold it. Because it looks like it wants to break out. GBP USD. This one's a bit confusing. It's not really respecting this anymore. I mean, it did a little bit. So it touched it there. Broke past. I mean, maybe if I brought it here. Breaks past, touches, comes back down, goes back up, does a fake out, comes back down, touches this point, as that, goes through, breaks through, touches. Hmm. You have to wait for this one, see what it does. You don't know if it's gonna be a buy or sell. Yeah. Alright guys, let me just leave that one and just let the trade do what it's supposed to do. I'm liking the look of GBP JPY. I think in the Asian session it may do something. As for GBP USD, maybe tomorrow it may do something. Tomorrow, but we'll see. Both ascending triangles. We're looking for breakouts on the bullish side on both. If not, we trade the opposite. But yeah, it's me done. Thank you for watching. Next trading session.